Boom. Hey, hello, how are you? Here goes. I decided to this time convert an existing code from C++ to Rust, and in this example, I watched Kevin Wood's C++ graph algorithm, and it seems like a great idea to try and convert that application. What it does is he set up a basic graph structure where you can add vertex in the numbers, like you add 1 2 3, that's your vertex, that's your graph node, and then you add some edges, which are connections between nodes, so from 1 to 2, and you can see his output. There's from 1 to 2 connection, there's from 1 to 3 connections, so it shows here as another related to the node, another node. Also there's relation from a node 3 to 2, so from 3 to 2. And just because we set up, well, he set up a connection from 1 to 3, then vice versa, 3 is related to 1, and here you see from 3 we've got a connection to 1. So I'm going to kind of watch his video and implement structure sequentially. Here goes. I'm on this side now. So the very first thing I noticed is that he has a structure or class mgraph. So let's create that. Then he has the main structure, which is mgraph. So it's mgraph hash map. Whoop. All right. And he has a hash map where the key is an integer and it has a list of integers inside there. So I'm going to use i32 because I don't need that much. And inside there is a vector of i32s. All right. So let's impl add edge. So since this is Rust, functions are written slightly different. The naming convention is different. v1 apparently is i32 and v2 is i32 as well. So since I'm going to mutate myself, so this is at self. All right, so mgraph. All right, get mute, I guess, by key v1. And let's store it. Let v1 map vec let mute. Oh, it's already mute. Right. If I look at definition, k, so it's mutable option. All right. If let some vvec push, and it adds v2, v2. So that's that. Then I should do the same thing here. Okay. So this is showing me some errors. So let's try and do that. Let's add the reference. Is it still not working? Mismatch types. Consider borrowing v2. but I did that. Yep. And the same here. So it's slightly more complicated, at least for me. Alright, that error is gone, and I can cargo run it, and it's not breaking because this code is safe. Alright, what's next? So yeah, and now there's also this. Add vertex, another function, add vertex. It uses mute self, and it adds a vertex. Insert key and value. So the key is a vertex, and the vector is, well, vec bang empty. Alright, so still compiles. Alright, and yeah, there's not much to it other than the printing of the graph. Haven't done that, so let's scrub through. Alright, so this is a print. Alright, so this is messy for me. So fn print graph of self. This is not a mutatable self. So for so it's iterating through a hash map. So he's using element in self graph. Can we do it? So we can do print. What do we print? We print the first. What is first? Oh, key. All right. So this should be a. How does it? Oh yeah, he just prints it out. Okay. So I'm supposed to print out element. Come on. Element dot 0, which should be a key, and this, and there's another array inside. Well, first of all, let's see if it. Oh, cannot move out of mgraph, which is shared reference, blah blah blah. Doesn't implement copy trait. Borrow. So, alright, so it's not used, but at least it can be built. Alright, next, for another car age. Car edge in element dot second, which is a value of our integers. All right, and we just print it out. All right, print. Come on. Yeah, okay. Just this and the space. Alright, so I print out the element. Oh no, wait. Current edge. Yeah. Current edge. Okay. And yes, there should be a space. Cool. And yeah, let's print. And then and just some kind of separator. Cool. So then he proceeds with filling out the vertices. Let's scrub till the moment where he actually sees the result. Here it is. So yeah, let's do the same thing. So let's go to main. So let sorry let my graph be of type graph. Okay, and I don't have a. All right, do I have an empty? Hold on. Yep. So my graph is supposed to be of something. Yeah, hash map. So my graph is new hash map. Looking at C++ code and doing this is weird. So it's just new. And this, and if I save it, it doesn't give me warnings. Good. Yeah, creating a new functional constructor would be weird. So my graph add vertex 1, my graph add vertex 2, my graph print graph. Uh, drum rolls. It's not mutable. So yeah, let mute. Hey, is it anything similar to what he has? So 3 is from 2 to 1, 3 from 2 to 1, 2 from 1 to 3, 2 from 1 to 3, and 1 from 2 to 3. Cool. He has more functions than that. He came more prepared to the thing. I just blindly copied his stuff. But there we go. A nice exercise.